Shares opened the week higher as investors continue bargain hunting. The details from Michelle Law.
Most Asian markets tumbled into the new week amid worries over the health of the U.S. economy and uncertainty over what President Donald Trump will do with tariffs again. China in particular in the spotlight after its consumer inflation dropped far more than expected to fall below zero for the first time, while producer prices fell for a 29th month as deflationary pressures persisted in the economy. Investors now looking for signs that the government stimulus is translating into stronger Euratom Philippine shares still on the high, carrying over from last week's 5% spike as investors continued to bargain hunt.
It's about when the rest, especially America, was going up, we were not following. But now that they're coming down, I think there's some bargain hunting happening already here because especially that. We have not experienced any rally of any sort over the last few months. So there was, it looks like some bargain hunting is starting among local as well as among some foreign investors, and it's taking profits in other markets.
In corporate stories, Aboitiz Equity Ventures reporting net income last year fell 23% to 18.1 billion, with the property and infrastructure segments showing weakness. However, stripping out 7.4 billion in non-recurring items, mostly related to asset impairment, core income would have gone up. Breaking down the units and focusing on those that have not yet released until today, the food and beverage segment, which includes Pilmico Foods and Pilmico Animal Nutrition, saw profit grow more than 4 times. With a fresh inclusion of Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Aboitiz Philippines. It also benefited from stabilizing commodity prices, optimized formulations in both feeds and flour, and strategic. Still in earnings, Integrated Microelectronics narrows its net loss in 2024 to just $77.1 million from a net loss in 2023 as revenues stayed above $1 billion. The Ayala-led Semicon says wholly owned subsidiaries continued to be affected by prolonged recovery challenges in the automotive and industrial markets, resulting in year on year. The newly installed CEO Louis Hughes calls 2024 a transformative year, making the organization more lean and agile as it focuses now on extending to new markets, including the industrial and medical sectors. Finally, Vismin developer Cebu Land Masters gets from the SEC the certificate of permit to offer for sale as much as 5 billion pesos worth of its sustainability-linked bonds. The bonds, due in 3 and 5 years, are offered this week with target listing on March 21.